What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's CPM2 video, I'm going to show you the locations of all 11 gift boxes hidden around the desert map. If you're trying to collect every single one, this guide has you covered. Let's get started. That's every single gift box in the desert map, 11 out of 11. All found. I hope this guide saved you some time and made your hunt a whole lot easier. If it did, don't forget to leave a like. Subscribe for more CPM2 content, and I'll see you in the next one.